Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I just wanted to quickly jump into some of my favorite summer makeup products. Number one, absolute must-have makeup product for the summer is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. If you guys do not own the setting spray, you need it in your life. Stuff will literally make your makeup pretty much waterproof and transfer proof. I use this on brides all the time, and the amount of times where my clients have told me that they have fallen asleep in their makeup, woken up the next day, and their makeup was still perfectly intact, it's thanks to this product. It's only $8. You can get it on Amazon. I have it linked in my shop, or you can get it from Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells Maybelline. The next product that will make your makeup humidity proof is the dermablend loose powder. I get the transparent one. This powder is very mattifying, so you want to use a very tiny bit. My favorite way to apply it is with a damp beauty sponge. What I do is I spray my face with this first, then while my face is still damp, I will apply a pea-sized amount of this product with a damp beauty sponge and pounce it in circular motions around my face. This powder is a must-have for summer. It will lock your makeup in place all day long. It will make it completely transfer proof. Since it's so fine, you're able to set your makeup without your skin feeling like you have another layer of like heavy powder on your skin. I rarely wear foundation during the summertime just because I hate the way it feels when you're in humidity, when your face feels like slimy and just gross. What I've been doing lately is mixing my Verse Mood Light Glow Drops with a moisturizer. It's the darkest shade, and I do about 2 drops mixed with a dime-sized amount of my moisturizer. I like the darker shade because I feel like it really helps camouflage any dark spots or hyperpigmentation on my skin. Kind of like how a foundation would, except since it's mixed with your moisturizer, your skin will absorb it and it'll give you that even look without feeling like you have layers of product just sitting on top of your skin. And from there, I'll just spot conceal wherever I need to with a concealer. I definitely should have done this in a better order. My favorite primer for the summertime is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This primer is immaculate. It literally is like glue for your makeup. These 3 products together will literally make your makeup bulletproof. Moving on to some blush and highlight products. I am obsessed with the Rare Beauty blushes. In particular, the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy is my absolute favorite. It's just like the perfect bright pinky summer blush. I love to mix it with the Rare Beauty liquid luminizer in Mesmerize. What I love about these products is that they'll give your skin that glow, but they like set themselves and stay in place all day. It's not like a glowy product that's going to not set itself and it's gonna slide around. You're still able to get that glow without it moving. I'll even apply these products on top of my face once it's already powdered. And once it dries, it still does not transfer. Another liquid luminizer that I have been loving, Tart Shape Tape Glow Wand in the shade Glow. I also like mixing this product with the Rare Beauty blush, and it gives it just like the perfect dewy finish while still being able to set and stay on your face all day. I've also used this as an under eye concealer when I was wearing no makeup, and it's beautiful because it's not a shimmery chunky highlight that's going to enhance any crevices under your eye. It'll just help even up that area but literally look like your skin. It's also great for a no makeup day highlight because it's not as intense as the Rare Beauty one. I have been so obsessed with lip oils lately. My favorite one at the moment is the Sigma Beauty Renew Lip Oil in All Heart. Use the code Janelle10 for 10% off Sigma Beauty. A natural lip pink color, so it'll give you a wash of color. The formula is perfect. Forget that you even have product on your lip because it's not sticky. Another brand that I recently discovered and have been loving their lip oils too is the In Beauty Project Lip Glazes. I love this bright cherry color, and then I also have a color in one of my bags. It's like a soft baby pink. Again, they give that perfect tint to your lip without feeling like you have product on your lips. I've gotten so used to lip oils and lip balms that I hate wearing like lipsticks because I hate the feeling of you like know that there's something on your lips and it's not comfortable like a lip balm. So these are great. Okay, I've talked about this product way too much, so I'm not gonna harp on it too much. Favorite long wearing mascara is the Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara, but if your eye water not going to run on you, holds the curl all day, even if you like get stuck in the rain. It doesn't flake out all either. Since it's not waterproof, it's still really easy to remove at night. And then my favorite bronzer to use in the summertime is the Chanel bronzer. I love this because it's a cream to powder formula without having to set it with another powder bronzer on top of it if I don't want to. I also love using this product as eyeshadow. Cream to powder formula. It's just gonna like melt into the skin a little bit more natural than throwing in a powder shadow in your cream. And I don't know, I just find that it ends up wearing better in the hot, humid weather. Guys, that wraps it up for this video. Bye!